નમસ્કાર. સર્વોદય એજ્યુકેશનલ નેટવર્કમાં સીબીએસઈ સ્કૂલમાં ઘણા વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ આ કોવિડ-19ની પરિસ્થિતિમાં ઘરે બેસીને સાયન્સ ફેર માટે તૈયારી કરી છે, પ્રોજેક્ટ બનાવ્યા છે અને સોશિયલ ડિસ્ટન્સ જાળવીને કોવિડના બધા જ નિયમો પાડીને વિદ્યાર્થીઓ ઘરે બેસીને જે પ્રોજેક્ટ તૈયાર કર્યા છે એ ફિઝિકલ શાળાએ પહોંચાડ્યા છે અને એક સાયન્સ ફેર આ પરિસ્થિતિમાં ખૂબ સરસ રીતે રજૂ કર્યો છે. ત્યારે એવા તમામ વિદ્યાર્થીઓને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન આપું છું કે જેમણે આ પ્રોજેક્ટ બનાવવામાં ભાગ લીધો છે. સાથે જે વાલીઓએ સપોર્ટ કર્યો છે એ તમામ વાલીઓને પણ ખૂબ ખૂબ બિરદાવું છું અને શિક્ષકોએ જે કલેક્શન કરી અને ખૂબ ઉચ્ચ ટેકનોલોજી સાથે ગ્રીનના સ્ક્રીનમાં ઓનલાઈન આખો જે સાયન્સ ફેર મૂકવાના છે અને આ ટેકનોલોજીનો ઉપયોગ કર્યો છે એ તમામ ટીચર્સને પણ ખૂબ બિરદાવું છું. આ પ્રોજેક્ટ ઓનલાઈન યુટ્યુબ ઉપર મુકાશે. તમામ વાલીઓ, વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અને શિક્ષકો આને નિહાળે અને વાલીઓ વિદ્યાર્થીઓની મહેનતને બિરદાવે. સૌ ફરીથી જેમણે ભાગ લીધો છે એ તમામ મિત્રોને ખૂબ ખૂબ બિરદાવું છું, અભિનંદન આપું છું અને શાળાના સંસ્થાપક તરીકે આ જે પ્રવૃત્તિ આવા સમયમાં કરી છે એના માટે ખૂબ રાજીપો છે, ખૂબ આનંદ છે. ધન્યવાદ.
Good day to all the viewers. I, Rashi Manwar,
and I, Piyuman Dapla,
from class 9th, welcomes you all in our Pandemic Scientist Science Fair. Despite the pandemic situation prevailing around the globe, it gives me great pride to say that our academic work was never suffering. And this was made possible by the efforts put in by our teacher and school management.
This science fair is made possible due to continuous support of our teachers and enthusiastic participation of the students.
I hope you enjoy viewing the projects made by our students. So, without taking much of your time, let's us begin with our Pandemic Scientist Science Fair.
Good morning, sir and madam. My name is Hiri Chaudhary. I am studying in standard 1st A. My topic name is Rainbow Magical Colors. Today, I will talk about a rainbow. Here in this, when white light pass through prism divided into 7 colors. It's called Rainbow Magical Colors. The 7 colors are purple, navy blue, green, yellow, orange and red. It's called light diffusion. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. Respected principal and teachers, my name is Pabani Khushi from standard 1st A. My project name is Plants Grow from Seeds. We see many plants around us. Can you think how they grow? Every seed has a baby plant inside it. When the seed gets air, water and sunlight, the baby plant comes out. It has small leaves. After some time, it's become bigger and bigger. Thank you. Hello, good morning, principals and teachers. My name is Rakhoya Maitri. I study in standard 1st A. My topic is day and night. This is the sun. The sun shines during the day. The sun is very Light at heat. The sun makes days warm and bright. This is the moon. We see the moon at night. The moon is round in shape. The moon gives us light at night. The moon is much smaller than the sun. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respective principal and teachers. My name is Solanki Meera from Standard 1st C. Today we will learn about types of plant. There are 5 types of plant: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. So let us start. First one, in trees. Thick and woody stem, tall, big and strong like a coconut tree and neem tree. Second one, in shrubs. Woody stem, small but strong like a hibiscus and rose. Third one, in herbs. Thin and soft stem, small and weak like a spinach and mint. Fourth one, climbers. Thin, weak stem, grow straight with support like a grapes and money plant. Fifth one, creepers. Thin and weak stem, grow along the ground like a pumpkin and watermelon. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, respected principal and teachers. My name is Ingradji Aryan. I study in Standard 1st B. My project name is Periscope. Before going into step, I would say something to you that how I got this idea. Let's see, few days ago on 26th of January, when I was watching Republic Day parade on television, I saw the use of periscope and submarine model. So, when my class teacher gave us information about science exhibition on school WhatsApp group, I, without wasting time, stick to this periscope project. Requirement: 2 mirror, 1 PVC pipe, 2 elbow joints, 1 putty. Let's see how this periscope works. A periscope works on laws of reflection, which state that the light from object falls on one mirror at 45-degree angle from the object and be reflected. This reflected light then falls on another mirror and is again reflected until it reaches our eye. Use of periscope: used in submarine, used in nuclear reactor, used in military tank and armed vehicles. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Hello, I am Vans, class first A. My topic body part. Our body has a many parts. Each part has a name. Each part has a use. We have a head. We have a 2 ears. We have a 2 eyes. We have a nose. We have a teeth. We have a lips. We have a tongue. We have a neck. We have a 2 hands. We have a 2 thumbs. We have a 10 fingers. We have a 2 legs. We have a 2 knees. We have a 10 toes. We use hand to left and right. We use leg to jump and run. The eye, the ear, the tongue, the nose, the skin. 5 sense organs and 5 friends. I eyes help us to see, ear help us to hear, tongue help us to taste, nose help us to smell, skin help us to feel. 5 sense organs and 5 sense organs help us to know the world around us. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye everyone. Hello, my name is Vasunami from first B. My topic food chart. We take 3 main meals in a day. We take different types of food in meals food that make our body strong. Make our body strong and help to stay healthy is called healthy food. Example, vegetable and fruit. Some food are grow like fishy pulses. Some food are provide energy 2 months for do work like rice, sugar, chapati, bread, eats. Fast food are also part of healthy food. Eating food that very sweet, salty, spicy or oily is unhealthy food. Like sweet, burger, pizza, chocolate, cold drinks. We must have a blended if we want to enjoy healthy life. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you, principal and teachers. My name is Vivan Baria. I am studying in 4th standard. My project is on wild animal. This is the tiger. Tiger is the biggest and strongest wild animal of the jungle. Tiger live in cave. Tiger eats fresh animal. This is the lion. Lion is the king of jungle. Lion live in cave. Lion eats fresh animal. This is the elephant. Elephant is big animal. Elephant eats grass and bamboos. This is the giraffe. Giraffe is tallest animal of the jungle. Giraffe eats leaves, herbs and beans. Giraffe live in climate. This is the monkey. Monkey live on tree. Monkey eats fruit, root, rice and bread. Monkey can jump one tree to another tree. This is the zebra. Zebra belong to the horse. Zebra is beautiful animal. Zebra mostly eat grass. Wild animals live in forest. Wild animals is beautiful animal and strongest animals. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal and teacher. My name is Red. I am studying in 2nd B. Today my topic is trees. Trees gives us oxygen. Trees protect us from carbon dioxide. Trees gives fruits, vegetables, wood, etc. Trees gives animal shelter and shade. Trees Without tree, we cannot live in the earth. Root, stem, fruit, flower, and leaf are different parts of a tree. Thank you. गुड मॉर्निंग, मेरा नाम कोलिया ऋषभ है। मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं आपको सभी फेस्टिवल्स के बारे में बताऊंगा। होली से स्टार्ट करते हैं। होली रंगों का त्योहार है। होली हर साल फागुन माह की पूर्णिमा के दिन मनाया जाता है। इंडिपेंडेंस डे। भारत में 15 अगस्त बहुत उत्साह और गर्व के साथ मनाया जाता है। 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन हमारा देश सुंदर सी आजादी प्राप्त हुई थी। दिवाली। दिवाली हमारा सबसे बड़ा त्योहार है। दिवाली के दौरान हम अपने घर में दिए जलाते और सुंदर सी रंगोली से अपना घर सजाते हैं। क्रिसमस ईसो का प्रमुख त्योहार है। क्रिसमस के दिन सांता क्लॉज आकर बच्चों को उपहार देके खुश करते हैं। थैंक यू। Good morning, respected teachers, principal. My name is Sridhal. I am studying class 2nd A. Today, my topic is transportation. Today, I am going to explain science exhibition theme of transportation. Transportation means the movement of people or goods from one place to another place. There are 3 types of transportation: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Now, I am going to explain land transport. Land transport move on land like bicycle, car, bus, train, etc. Train is a rail transport. Train move on tracks. There are different types of trains like passenger train, metro train, and bullet train. Now I am going to explain water transport. Water transport move on water like boat and ship. A ship is a large vehicle used to travel on water. Ships sail in seas. There are different types of ships like trade ship, warship, and cruise ship. Now I am going to explain air transport. Air transport move on air like helicopter and aeroplane. Aeroplane used for air journeys. There are faster means of transport. People use aeroplane to go from one country to another country because it helps them go too quickly. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, I am Jadav Tirthi. I study in class 2nd A. Today I will present my project. My project is best food for body. This is our body and these are our body parts: hair, eye, nose, neck, lungs, hand, fingers, leg, foot, bones, intestine, stomach, ear and brain. From these some parts need good food. This is green vegetable, it is good for hair. This is carrot, it is good for eyes. This is broccoli, it is good for lungs. This is orange, it is good for bones. This is plum, it is good for intestine. This is spinach, it is good for brain. So we eat healthy food for our body. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Tishta Atulbhai Chadane. My topic is shelter. This is bungalow. Bungalow is a many rooms. Bungalow is some bungalow, a garden. This is multi-story building. Multi-story building have many houses. Multi-story building have a big garden. Multi-story buildings are mostly found in big cities. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Hua Vaibhav, standard 2nd A, roll number 4.
मैं आज आपको एक नेबरहुड रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट दिखाने वाला हूँ। पोस्ट ऑफिस। Most neighborhood have a post office. We can send and receive letter through a post office. We post our letter in a letter box. Hospital. We go to a hospital when we are sick or injured. There are many doctors and nurses in a hospital. Police station. Most neighborhood have a police station. The police guard our neighborhood and keep it safe. Bank. Most neighborhood have a bank. We can keep our money and jewelries. Keep it bank. These days many neighborhood have a ATM. Thank you, madam.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Vainavi Pinakim. Yes, my project is growing plants. जब हम बीज को ग्रो करने रखते हैं तब वो छोटा सा बीज होता है और जब वो थोड़ा बड़ा होता है उसे कहते हैं सिटको और जब वो सन और एयर की मदद से बड़ा होता है तब उसमें थोड़े से पत्ते आते हैं और जब वो उससे भी बड़ा होता है तब उसमें कहीं सारी डालियाँ और कहीं सारे पत्ते आते हैं। थैंक यू मैम।
Good morning, sir. My name is Yasdeep. I am study second B. आज मैं सीजन के बारे में बोलने वाला हूँ। विंटर, स्प्रिंग, monsoon, summer. This is 4 type season. Winter. It is very cold during winter. December to January, very cold month. Spring. It is not too hot and not too cold. February to March month. Summer. It is very hot during summer. April, May, June, very hot month. Monsoon. It is very many places in India get rainfall. July, August, September, very rainfall month. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Desai Sachi. I am studying 3rd C. My roll number is 9. Today my topic is solar system. The 8 planets are part of the solar system. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is the smallest planet. Jupiter is the largest planet. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. Thank you.
My name is Ramani Vatsal. I am studying 3rd A. My topic is pollution. Smoke from factories and vehicles pollute the air. The air becomes dirty. This is called air pollution. We may fall the sick if we breathe in pollute the air. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Paramgiri. I study in 4th A. Today's experiment is fire on water. So as you can see, it get fire. Presence of acetone is in nail polish. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Kuhel Vats from standard 4th A and I will tell you something about wheel and axle machine. A simple machine that used most often in the village. The wheel and axle machine has 2 basic parts, wheel and axle.
The wheeler action machine is found anywhere. It has two circular objects, which includes a larger disc and a small cylinder, both joined at the center. It mainly used in the village and also for farming. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Monia Kriti. I am studying in 4th B. This is my project of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is very simple to collect the rainwater. Let's see how it is possible. When the rain falls on the rooftop, the water is collected in this filter tank. The dust is removed and the water is filtered in this filter tank. The filtered water goes into the storage tank. The water is stored for the whole year in the storage tank. When we feel scarcity of water, we can use this rainwater for various uses like for household works, watering the plants, etc. We can also use this water for drinking after some precautions. Practical use of this model. Rainwater harvesting is one of the commonly used method to store the rainwater. It refers to collect the rainwater and use it in different uses. The notion behind rainwater harvesting is not to waste the rainwater or prevent it from running off. Thank you.
Hello, my dear teachers and my dear friend. My name is Viparia Vatsavsendas. By my standard name is 4th standard. My topic name is organic farming. The method of organic farming involves growing and nurturing crops without use of a synthetic-based fertilizer and pesticides. Organic farming combines tradition, innovation, and scientific knowledge of ecology. The organic farming general liar and conversion pharmacy. Today I will show something how to make a fertilizer and medicine used to make organic pharmacy. This is a organic fertilizer. ભારત સરકારની સહાયથી ગાઝિયાબાદથી બેક્ટેરિયા લેવામાં આવે છે. હવે હું તમને જણાવીશ ઓર્ગેનિક ખાતર વિશે. ઓર્ગેનિક ખાતરમાં આપણે જોશે 2 કિલો ગોળ, અળસિયાના બેક્ટેરિયા, ગાયનું ગૌમૂત્ર, ગાયનું છાણ. આ તો ઓર્ગેનિક ખાતર. હવે હું તમને જણાવીશ ઓર્ગેનિક દવા વિશે. ઓર્ગેનિક દવામાં આપણે જોશે આકડો, લીમડો, સીતાફળીના પાન, કળવાશીનું ઘાસ, 100 ગ્રામ અજમો, 100 ગ્રામ હિંગ, 200 ગ્રામ મેથીનો પાવડર, 100 ગ્રામ અજમો. આ તો ઓર્ગેનિક દવા. આ ઓર્ગેનિક દવાનો ઉકાળ કરી છંટકાવ કરવાનો છે. થેન્ક યુ.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Bhatt Parth. My standard is 5th A and my roll number is 6. My project is about to save the water by using alarm system in overhead the water tank. Let me show you the project, how it works. Let's assume that this disposable glass is a water tank and I fill the water by submersible pump. I fill it. And it's warn you by lighting and buzzing that the water flows out by the water tank and you off the switch and prevent your water and save the water. Save water, save life. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Chotalia Sarangi. I am studying in class 5th A. I made a project for science exhibition. My topic is Earth atmosphere layers. Do you know how many layers of Earth atmosphere? Our Earth atmosphere layer is 5. First, exosphere, second, thermosphere, third, mesosphere, fourth, stratosphere, and last and fifth layer is stratosphere. First layer is exosphere. It contains the air beyond not exist. Second layer, thermosphere. In this layer, temperature will be 2000 Celsius.
orbits, satellites, space shuttles fly in this layer. Mesosphere. Mesosphere is the third layer. Third layer is Earth atmosphere. Metals and stones fly in this layer. Troposphere. Troposphere is the last layer of atmosphere. It contains human breath, all weather changes and take place here. Thank you.
My name is Dodia Chetty, 5th year, roll number 13. My project is hydraulic disc brake. Let's start my project. Let's brake. Let's unbrake. This project is connected with pistons. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Gaurvruti from Standard 5th B. My topic is light and shadow. Today we will see about formation of shadow. The dark spot formed by translucent or opaque object, its blocks light, is called a shadow. A shadow is formed by on opposite side of light. So if you are facing the light, your shadow will be behind your back. If you are back, your shadow will be front of you. A shadow is always appear black and our outline is big. Size of shadow has depends on distance between light and object. The shadow is longest as early morning, early evening, and short at noon. Thanks for visiting. You can see the size of shadow is changing. Morning, noon, evening.
Hello everyone. Good morning. My name is Kacha Charu. I am studying in 5th C. My topic is a grass cutter machine. Grass cutter machine used in nursery to cut flowers, leaves, grass, etc. Let's start our machine. First we will cut grass and flowers. Now I will tell you advantage of this machine. This machine used in many places, homes, gardens, terrace gardens, etc. You can also make this machine at home, like me. Thank you very much.
Good morning. My name is Kantasarya Khush. I study in 5th C. Today I see the model of hologram. A hologram is real-world recording of interference pattern which uses diffraction to reproduce steady light field. Holography is science and practice of making hologram. Dennis Gober invented holography in 1947 and later won Nobel Prize for its effort. Let's see how hologram works. This process of making hologram basically works by the interference and diffraction the hologram. Hologram is used in many ways. Probably if you have credit card, you have hologram. The small silver rectangle of dove in your credit card is white light mirror back transmission hologram. It displays 3D image. So this 3D image looks by the use of hologram. So let's see the effect of hologram. From here you can see the effect of hologram. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Katroti Pusti from class 5th C. My topic name is kidney walking model. Firstly, I like to explain you the process of excretion in human excretory system. The main parts are kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Kidney is reddish brown bean shape situated between thoracic and third lumbar vertebra close to dorsal inner wall of the abdominal cavity. The most important life process is excretion. Excretion is the process of elimination waste produced in our body. You know the fact that the blood transports water and air to different parts of our body, and it also contains waste products. The blood contains both harmful and useful products. The harmful products is formed as urine and which will be stored in urinary bladder. The harmful substances is formed as urine and will be stored in urinary bladder. And the urinary bladder is full. We eject urine through the small opening called urethra. The length of the kidney is 10 to 12 centimeter, breadth is 5 to 7 centimeter, and thickness is 2 to 3 centimeter. Thank you.
My name is Korat Vatsal. I study in standard 5th. My topic name is automatic hand sanitizer machine. I have designed an automatic hand sanitizer machine. I will show you that how the machine works. Push the cardboard and sanitizer dropped in our hand. We should touch many objects in our daily activity. During the period of Corona, we must clean our hands, and the period to stay safe, we should use hand sanitizer that contains 60% alcohol and is most important step for avoid and getting germs. Be healthy, be safe. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Thesha Pal from Standard 5th B. It is my hydroponic working model. Hydroponics are very attractive project in these days. Hydroponic working model means where we don't use the soil at all, and without soil we are trying to grow plants. It is the main beauty of hydroponics. In hydroponics, we can grow plants, fruits, vegetables and flowers, and this water also using for do fisheries. So this is the overall hydroponic system. It connects from motor, and motor have a pipe that supplies water at top. Then water comes in middle tray with the help of straw. Then it comes into last tray with the help of straw. And motor connects from battery, and water will be recycled, so water can't waste. Thank you.
My name is Vadodari Arm and my topic is solar system. The sun and the 8 planets are there, a moon and a dwarf planet from solar system. The 8 planet revolution around the sun. First is a Venus, second is a Venus, second is a Mercury, third is a Earth, fourth is a Mars, fifth is a Jupiter, sixth is a Saturn, seventh is a Uranus, and the last one Neptune. Mercury is 88 days around the sun. Mercury is a molten core. Mercury is the hottest planet in the solar system. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the sky. Earth. Earth is our planet. The Earth moves around the sun is called revolution. The Earth also spin on its own is called rotation. Rotation we use day and night. Revolution take 365 days. Revolution and Earth revolution moon that 365 days to changes in season. Earth 365 taken to use days. And Mars is the hottest planet in the solar system. Mars is a red planet. Then Jupiter is largest planet in the solar system. Then Saturn is the 6th planet in the solar system. Then Saturn is planet with the ring. Then Uranus is the very cold and cloudy. Then Neptune. Neptune is the cold and very new Neptune made of gas. Thank you.
Hello guys. Good morning, teachers, students, and my dear friends and respected principal. Today I have made a house cleaning car. This type of car is helpful in real life, and the people who have physical disabilities and who have working and no time of cleaning their house. To move to mechanism of the car, we have 3 gear motor. One is here, and one is here. We have 3 9-volt battery and 3 switches. We connect gear motor to the switches and switches to the battery. It also work when the switch is on. So let's move. Thank you. Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and all my friends. My name is Agar Adam. My project name is vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner is used to clean our home, cars, yes, etc.
Good morning, respected principal, teacher, and all my friends. My name is Ameya Santosh and I am from class 6C. My project name is rainwater harvesting. The rainwater collects in the tank and it goes to the filter through pipes. The filter water goes to tank and it supplies water to the plants through drip irrigation pipes. Thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is Baldar Sil from standard 6B. My topic name is exhaust fan. E-works is on 9-volt battery, 9-volt motor and 1 fan. Uses in bathroom, kitchen and laundry. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Lashkar Jalil from class 6B. Today I am here to do experiment which shows that electricity cannot pass through the pure water. So to do this project, we need a 9-volt battery, 4 bulbs joined in a series, some wires, salt and pure water. So let's start. First of all, you have to connect battery and 4 bulbs with help of wires. Now I am putting the two opponents in the pure water. So you can see that all 4 bulbs are not glowing because in pure water there is only H2O which electricity cannot pass through the H2O. Now I am putting some salt in this water. And let us immerse the 2 ends in this water. So friends, you can see that all 4 bulbs are glowing because in this water there is Nl plus and Cl minus which take the electron to one end to another. I am repeating this. This is the salty water. So you can see that all 4 bulbs are glowing. So this is my project and this is referenced in NCERT science textbook chapter 12 electricity and circuits. Thank you very much.
Good morning friends, my name is Om Sojitra, standard 6th B. My topic name is volcano eruption. I have used soda Mentos.
is Giripurni. I am from class 6th B. My topic is excretory system. Our body contains many harmful products, wastes, and these wastes are removed by a process of extraction. These extractions are done by kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. First, our urine forms in kidney. Blood with waste will go inside our kidney by renal artery. Kidney will filter our blood. Then the filtered blood will go back to our body by renal vein. The waste will change into urine and go to urinary bladder by urethra. Then urethra helps us to passes our urine from our body. I will show you an example how does it go out of our body. I have some water, then I will pour it on. Then it gone to urinary bladder by urethra, then urethra helps to pass it out. Thank you.
Good morning. Hello, my name is Amol Yazil from class 6th B. It is my science fair project. Its name is Space Shuttle. It can work. It is tank fuel of shuttle. And in this, people are going to moon and other planets. Thank you.
Good morning, dear principal sir, teacher, and all my friends. I am Riya Sardara.
And I am Vakasya Zala. We are from class 6C.
This is our topic name, manual lift.
The benefit of this lift, we use this lift to come up and down.
In this lift, more than 3 to 4 persons can stand comfortably. When we roll over this circle, the lift comes up. This lift is used at home, at offices, or at complex. Thank you
and have a nice day.
Good morning, dear principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Satyendra Singh from class 6th B. My topic is register light. Here I am used some wires, switch button, LED light, and battery, and 9-volt power off. First of all, I am battery connect to the LED light through switch button, but we cannot connect a battery to the LED light directly. First of all, the battery connect with to switch button and the red wire goes to switch button. Battery is 9-volt, but my LED is need only 2-volt power. Then my battery is connect from my switch button and goes to the read button, but we correct directly. The solution is resistor chip. Resistor chips consume extra necessary power and goes to unnecessary power from these 2-volt only. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, dear friends, teachers, dignitaries, and all my teachers. I am Subham Kothai from class 6B and our topic is drip irrigation.
My name is Jamin Vagasia.
My name is Chavda Kusabra. Our subject is drip irrigation.
My name is Sitpura Manav. Our topic is drip irrigation.
Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system that has potential to save water and nutrients. Drip irrigation system is more efficient than all irrigation systems such as surface irrigation system or sprinkler irrigation system. Thank you.
Weed growth is lessened.
First, water application efficiency is high if managed correctly. Second, soil type plays a less important role in frequency of irrigation.
First, field leveling is not necessary. Second, field with irregular shape are easily accommodated. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, and all my friends and teachers. Myself is Sarah Rudra from class 6A. My project name is Agriculture Robot. one-stop solution of farming. As we all know that India is an agriculture country. This agriculture robot will reduce the tedious work of farmers. This robot is used for plowing fields, sowing seeds and drip irrigation. Materials required to make this project are one mechanic's kit, plastic container, plastic pipes, well water, wires, batteries and switch. Now let me explain it practically. This will plow the fields. After that we have to sow the seeds. This section is used for sowing seeds. And then this section is used for drip irrigation, which allows water to drip slowly to the roots of plants. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself is Shruti Ullas Kabir and I am from Standard 6C, Division C. Today my topic is rainwater harvesting. When the rainwater falls, the water gets collected in the tank. Through a pipe it gets collected in the well. From the well, the water goes to the house and you can use this for your household chores, for drinking purpose and many more.
Hello, good morning. My name is Rajrut. I am studying Standard 6B and my project name is Process of Plants Photosynthesis. This is sun and sunlight, clouds, birds, plant. A photosynthesis process that involves the transformation the energy from sunlight and water. It simplifies equations that transfer regarding to photosynthesis. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Yadav. I am from 6C. Today I am reviewing my project Fish Smoke Absorber. I material used on cardboard and piece of bottle and two motors, two batteries and some wires. This is smoke absorber and this used in place kitchen, factories and somewhere smoke is developed and this the environment. This is on the button and light is on and smoke go inside. Smoke collecting inside and go outside from here. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Rangdharya Deria from Standard 7th. My topic name is Spiral Convection. स्पाइरल का मतलब होता है पॉइंट फ्रॉम विच द पार्ट इज रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड दिस, मतलब कि जो पॉइंट होता है उसके फिर आजू बाजू से जो घूमता है उसका मतलब स्पाइरल होता है। और कॉन्वेक्शन का मतलब होता है द एक्शन और प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वेइंग। स्पाइरल होता है वो क्यों घूमता है? स्पाइरल इसलिए घूमता है क्योंकि जो एयर होती है वो हॉटर ऑब्जेक्ट्स के टच में आकर हॉट एयर बनती है और जो हॉट एयर होती है वो हमेशा कोल्ड एयर के मुकाबले लेस डेंस होती है, जिसकी वजह से वो ऊपर की तरफ जाती है। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।
Hello sir, my name is Puraniya Karthik and I am studying in Sarvodaya Secondary School, Standard 7th. My roll number is 36 and I made a project of bus and this project's name is Sarvodaya Vehicle Security Alert System, and this is mainly based on my thinking, and I see in many things I read in and think that every student take a hand outside to the bus, and there are many things injured and disabled because of that only. So I think and I tell to my uncle to make like this system, and we make like this instead. Any student sitting inside the bus and take a hand outside to the window, this buzzer immediately ring and the driver come to know that any student and anyone take a hand outside to the window, and which window their student take a hand outside, that also they come to know, and they will tell to the student, and the student come to not do injured, and no many students not injured, and there is not disabled. Because of that I made this project. Thank you, sir.
My name is Nashid Kavya. My name is Master Jia.
My name is Vida Kavya.
My name is Savani Krisha.
The kidneys are tube-shaped organs on each side of your fist. They are located just below the rib cage on each side of your spine.
Healthy kidneys filter about a half cup of blood every minute, removing wastage and extra water to make urine.
The urine flows from the kidneys to the bladder through two thin tubes of muscle called ureters, one on each side of your bladder.
The ureter duct that remits urine from the bladder to the exterior of the body. During urination, the urethra is held closed by the urethral sphincter, a muscular structure that helps keep urine between bladder until voiding can occur. Thank you.
How it's work we can show you. Thank you.
Good morning, sir and madam. It is a ropeway. It is helpful to travel one place to another place. It is seen in mountains area and temples area. Now I show how it is work. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. My name is Saulya Kuldeep and I am from Standard 7th B. My project is food delivery drone. This is a drone with camera and it controls with this remote. And camera recording will record here. Now we will fly. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rashad Jatanbhai Koradi. I am studying in Standard 7th. Today I will show the working of a hydraulic crane structure's upper part. So now it works with only and only water pressure. So no electricity and fuel is required. So now I am starting my work. So now it is getting upwards. You can lift anything with this hook and it does not. Now it comes fully enough upwards, so I will take it downwards. This is also done with only and only water pressure. In this also not any electricity and fuel is required. So now it is coming downwards. And it had finally come downwards. So this is very helpful for our environment.
Good morning all of you. My name is Pandeshwari. I am studying in 7th B. Today my project is that my vehicle move forward and backward direction. See that I push this ejection so the water pressure go from this ejection to that ejection. See. You can see that the car move forward. From the pressure of water, the car moves forward. Now I pull this ejection so the water pressure come back to again this ejection. See that I pull this ejection. That the car moves backward. So my project said that we not need any type of fuel, petrol, etc. because it's very costly for us. It's only work and from only and only water pressure. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arjun Thakur from class 8B. Today I am presenting a small working project on how Earth around Earth. When the basic principle of the world and why is when Earth orbits, then pendulum will vibrating. And the tidal light of then will form like that. So how it works?
Hello guys,
friends, my name is Manan Bhimani and I am from Standard 8. Today I am showing electromagnetism. In this, we need some metal materials, screw, battery. In this experiment, we can see that electricity can make proper magnetism. In this, we have to cover the entire cell with the spiral binding of that copper wire. And the battery gives it electricity, so it can pass through the screw and it conduct the electricity. By conduction of electricity, it can make magnetism. Like that, we will point our both ends of copper wire in this battery and we need to stay some time because the screw need proper circulation of electricity to make it magnetism. Yeah, so you can observe this magnetism by heating the electric copper wire and it gives to a screw and it make proper magnetism. So you can see that it can make proper magnetism in this. Thank you.
Today we are here to represent the science project of kidney working model.
So first of all, what is kidney? Kidney is the most important organ in humans. It has been shaped organ and located just below the rib cage on each side of the spine. The kidney has a size of fist. Kidney removes wastage and extra fluid from the body by filtering half cup of blood every minute. Kidneys are the main part of systems. In that, the kidney are the urinary system, and the main parts of kidneys are renal cortex, renal medulla, and renal pelvis.
Each kidneys are surrounded by thick fibrous tissue which are surrounded by perineal fat, renal fascia, and perirenal fat. Kidneys work to ensure an adequate amount of plasma to keep the blood flowing in the body. Nephrons are the most important part of the kidneys. They take blood, metabolize nutrients, and help pass out the waste from the filtered blood. Each kidney has around 1 million nephrons.
The main parts of urinary systems are kidney, urinary bladder, ureter, and urethra.
Lastly, 3 layers of the kidneys. First, renal cortex that contains glomerulus and convoluted tubulus which protects the inner structure of the kidney. Second, renal medulla that contains loop of Henle or renal pyramids which allows fluid flow into the kidney. And third, renal pelvis that acts as a pathway to the urinary bladder. Lastly, conclusion.
It's fact that the kidney is the most important part of human body for its proper functioning. Its major function is to remove waste product and fluid part from the body.
The excess of the waste is removed by the kidney in the form of urine.
Myself Krishna Magasya from class 8 here to represent our science project Smart Village Atana. The first topic is solar power panels. Solar panels collect clean renewable energy in the form of sunlight and convert that light into electricity. This electricity can be used for providing energy to electrical loads. The second topic is gobar gas plant. Gobar gas plant includes gases like methane, carbon monoxide and hydrogen. This gas, when combusted or oxidized with oxygen, releases biogas which can be used for cooking, water heating, etc. The third topic is special economic zone. A special economic zone is an area in which the trade and business laws are different from rest of the country. These aims include job creation, investment and effective administration.
Myself, Janvi Thakur. My topic name is rainwater harvesting. The importance of rainwater harvesting is that it's stored for the future use. It also help in reducing of soil erosion and flooding. This also help in raising of groundwater level. Harvesting rainwater means helping the environment in many ways. My second topic is natural water purification. Natural water purification is the process of removing undesirable chemicals like biological contaminants, suspense, solid gases, water from it for the special purpose. These also help in many ways, like most of the water is purified for the human consumption. Example, drinking of water.
Myself Tulsi Sarathia. My topic is drainage management. Drainage management used to manage the wastewater which comes from industries and household, which is affected to to farms because farms need the purified water and its help to farm to grow the crops. My second topic is Waste management. It includes the action and activities required to manage the waste from its starting to till the final disposal. It includes transport, collection, treatment, and disposal of waste, and with the monitoring and regulation of the waste management process. Now let's learn about the check dams in the village and importance of check dams in the village. Check dams are mostly smaller and temporary structure of the village which helps to provide water to the farms when the water is decreased when rainfall is lesser. Now this process is help to decrease the soil erosion, and this process is mainly used in irrigation.
Myself, Ambalya Tanushree from class 8th. My topic is drip irrigation system. It is the system in which the water falls drop by drop directly near the roots of the plants, and in it is the most important system to watering fruit plants, gardens, and trees. Water is not wasted at all because through check dams water came into canal, and through canal it comes into the drip irrigation system. It is boon in the regions where the water availability is the poor. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Gatia Maharshi. My name is Breed Survey.
My name is Lakya Mansi.
Our topic is volcanic eruption.
Volcano eruptions occurs from the hot materials in the earth are thrown by the volcano,
Such as lava, rocks, dust, and some gas compound. Eruption can come from the side branches or the top of the volcano.
Some eruptions are terrible explosions thrown out in a huge amount of ash and volcanic rocks.
Vinegar. Dishwash.
स्पीड में मत करो ओवर
Hello everyone, I am Parma Shaktisi from class 8B. Today I am going to perform an experiment on matches. First we'll do matches in water, and we will take out, and now you can see it will not happen. Then we paste Colgate and put it in water. Then you can see it will happen. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Shashwat.
I am Bukani Aryan.
I am Ratneshwar Aditya.
This is the electronic sanitizer machine. When the switch is on, the sanitizer will automatically come into your hands and you can clean your hands.
In this barrel there is sanitizer and a submersible pump. The submersible pump will push the sanitizer into the pipe and you can clean your hands. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. As we all know, our science fair and exhibition was organized online. बच्चों ने बहुत ही मेहनत की है एंड स्पेशली आई मस्ट से कि पेरेंट्स जो है जितने सपोर्टिव है, आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी विथ ऑल द पेरेंट्स कि उन्होंने बच्चों की जो मदद की है और उनको जो मार्गदर्शन दिया है, इट्स रियली वेरी नाइस. Many of you came to the school and all the parents were, I must say, they are totally in case के जो भी हमको social distancing रखना है या जो भी स्कूल के रूल्स है वो फॉलो किए थे. Every kid was really very presentative और सभी ने बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट का एग्जीबिशन किया है. सो ये ऑनलाइन हमारा प्रोजेक्ट एग्जीबिशन जो था वो बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल रहा. एंड जो भी बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है, आई रियली कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट देम ऑल कि बहुत अच्छा पार्टिसिपेशन हुआ है. एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हमको हमारे टीचर्स का एप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए कि जो उन्होंने मेहनत की है कि दे सेटेड अप ऑल द इक्विपमेंट्स की जो ग्रीन स्क्रीन या ब्लू स्क्रीन से हमने जो एडिटिंग किया है उसके लिए भी कैमरा और सबके लिए हमारा स्टाफ जो है उसका हमें बहुत बहुत आभार मानना चाहिए. एंड एवरीथिंग वेंट रियली वेरी नाइस एंड आई होप कि आगे जाके भी जो भी कंपटीशन हो या जो भी एग्जीबिशन हम स्कूल पे करें, बच्चे इतने ही पार्टिसिपेशन दिखाए, इतना ही पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट करे और टीचर्स भी इतनी ही मेहनत करें. सो ओवरऑल एवरीथिंग वाज रियली वेरी नाइस एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी नाइस. एंड एज वी ऑल नो द कोरोना सिचुएशन राइट नाउ इन द पेंडेमिक, सो हम लोग इससे बाहर आ चुके हैं एंड now there is nothing to worry. So I hope everyone's health is good, they are taking care of their family and सबकी हेल्थ अच्छी रहे, ऐसी उम्मीद के साथ we'll meet again and जल्द से हम ये साल खत्म करें और नए साल को नए शुरुआत से हम स्टार्ट करें. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 5 to 8 जल्दी स्टार्ट हो रहा है. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन कि जो स्कूल्स सारा के सारा रूल्स फॉलो कर रहा है कि सैनिटाइजेशन है या फिर टेम्परेचर मेजरमेंट है या फिर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग है, सो वी आर टेकिंग ऑल द प्रिकॉशंस. कोई भी इश्यू है नहीं. अभी 9 to 12 के सभी स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं, सो देयर इज नथिंग टू वरी. आप फिजिकल आइए बच्चे, स्कूल पे पढ़ाई करें. जो ऑनलाइन हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो अच्छा ही जा रहा है, लेकिन इफ यू कम टू स्कूल इट विल बी मोर बेटर, more knowledge will be gone into your minds. So come to school soon and school will reopen and हम पहले से अच्छा और अच्छे से मेहनत करें, ऐसी आशा के साथ अपने शब्दों को आराम देता हूँ. अस्तु. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Now we came to the conclusion of our science fair. I hope you all enjoyed viewing the projects made by our little scientists.
I offer my sincerest thanks to all the little pandemic scientists for their wholehearted participation in the science fair. I also offer special thanks to school management, teachers, Ajay sir, viewers and parents for making this science fair a huge success.
I hope you all